Hey guys, here we've got this vitamin C facial serum, but it's also got a lot of other types of vitamin C here. It's got vitamin E, it also has caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and just a bunch of things to help really make your skin glow. So let's pop it out of the box, and then you can see it's in this beautiful little shiny case here, and I'm gonna put some on in just a second. They recommend to kind of wipe your face down first. So I got a little washcloth, and then let's just do one pump. It's recommended again 1 to 2, but I'm gonna stick with 1 right now. There we are. And then let's just rub it all in, and then we'll see the results. Right off the bat, it feels extremely hydrating. And then I'm just gonna let it all kind of absorb in, make sure it's all mixed around. But let me get back to you in 1 second. Okay, so here we are. You can see it really does just bring a lot of that moisture back into your face if you're feeling a bit dry. I think I would love to use this after a long day in the sun as well. It just feels totally replenishing, and obviously you won't get major results after the first use, but I feel like already I can see it just bringing a lot of that glow back into my face. Of course, after you use it a couple more times, you'll see that diminishing of little dark spots and fine lines, but I don't know, I really enjoy it. I think it's just super hydrating for your face, and then it has so many benefits that you can read up on here on the side. If you're looking for kind of that all-in-one serum, I would highly recommend this one. You don't have to branch out and get a bunch of different ones. Just stick with this one, and then you will be set.